Planning to manufacture or import PPE into the EU? Then you need to understand the EU PPE regulation, and fast. The PPE Regulation EU 2016-425 applies to any personal protective equipment designed to protect against health and safety risks, and that includes products used in healthcare, construction, industry, and more. It replaced the old directive and is now a fully enforceable regulation, meaning it applies automatically across all EU member states. PPE is classified into 3 categories based on risk. Category 1, simple PPE, e.g. gardening gloves. Category 2, intermediate risk, e.g. high visibility clothing. Category 3, high risk, e.g. respirators, medical PPE. As a manufacturer or importer, your responsibilities include ensuring your product meets essential health and safety requirements, creating and maintaining a technical file, performing a conformity assessment, often involving a notified body for higher risk products, affixing the CE mark and issuing a declaration of conformity. Getting it wrong can lead to product recalls, fines, or market rejection, but with the right guidance, it's fully manageable. At Patient Guard, we help companies navigate EU PPE compliance, from risk classification and documentation to CE marking and notified body coordination. Book your discovery call today and bring your PPE to the EU market with confidence.